please don't y'all think for any second that this is a hair tutorial, because it's not. Because this is my first time braiding hair into my hair. Very first time. I've never had braids in my life. When I used to have braids when I was little, it was with my own hair. But I just was feeling blonde hair, and I've been seeing all these long braids, and I just started feeling like, Dara, do something different while you can. I have a head full of hair. My hair is super long. It probably would have cost about $300 to go get them done, and I wasn't doing that when I could do a DIY on myself. So you guys, this is what I have so far. And I use, let me see, what is this? This is 1B30 is what I started my back with. Phasing it in with just, let me pick it up. Full out 30. Then I started feeling like, okay, I need to see how the front gonna look. That's what's gonna determine if I'm stopping right now and taking it all the way down. So I started to phase my 27 in along with my 613, or I just say white blonde. And so, yeah. So this is where I am. These are supposed to be knotless. So far I have been doing them knotless. And yeah, I will say my hair is a little slippery. So as I'm trying to braid the hair, it's like sliding off. Let me scooch y'all over a little bit so y'all can really see. I just went to go get my hair cut yesterday because I had a lot of damage on it. So let's scooch y'all over. Excuse the mess, if you will. But yeah. So I think I'm gonna do a braid right here. Is that what I'm doing? Y'all, this is very interesting. I'm using Shine and Jam, putting that on the edges, on the roots. I cannot even break down to you what I'm doing because, like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. This is literally a DIY situation. But I will take pictures when I'm finished. Of course. Let me see. Y'all, this is work. And a little bit of this hair. See, the white blonde, you got to be careful because it will overpower, and I'm not trying to get the white blonde overpower, but I do like the lighter colors. That was the whole point of wanting to do this, because my hair, I dye it very dark brown. So that means that your girl, you won't be seeing me with any beautiful ash blonde colors like I used to do back in the day, because my hair would have to be stripped in order to get those hairstyles. So I'm trying to do it myself. Well, trying to do these braids myself. right, y'all, so here is the finished product of my hair. Let me see if let me like stand up so y'all can like see how long it is. So it's past, it's like, yeah, a little past my butt. And sorry. This is my, like I said, this is my very first time having braids and braiding hair in with my hair. Like, I know how to braid, but I've never braided hair into my hair like this. It was very hard. The hardest part was getting the parts straight, and they're not straight. My hair is very slippery, like the braids kept sliding off, so I had to keep doing it over and over again. So the majority of it is knotless braids, but then some of them I had to just wrap around in order to make them stay. But this was a first time experience for me, so I think it's kind of cute. I like the color more than anything though. The color has really got me. Like I said, this is not a tutorial because I know that these braids are not perfect. So I was really scared to do braids. I just never felt like it was my look. Plus my hair, though my hair is super long and thick, my edges are not as thick as the rest of my hair. So I never want to do anything that would be damaging to my hair. So I didn't know how I would feel about braids. I didn't know if braids would be too heavy on my hair. So what to call these braids? Yeah, I don't know, because the majority of them are not, and then the other side, a few of them that wouldn't stay, I had to make them the regular box braids. So thank y'all for tuning in. I know this wasn't really a video. It was just kind of just showing y'all that I stepped out there on faith and I tried the DIY braids, and this is the result of it. So don't judge me. Just let y'all know that right now. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already so that you can check out every video. Bye-bye.